Come make we worship him. Come make we dance and sing. Give thanks and praise to the King of Kings. Make we worship him, our provider. Come make we worship him. Come make we dance and sing. Give thanks and praise to the King of Kings. Make we worship him, our protector. Come make we worship him. Yeah, come make we dance and sing. Give thanks and praise to the King of Kings. Make we worship him, our deliverer. Come make we worship him. Yeah, come make we dance and sing. Give thanks and praise to the King of Kings. Make we worship him, Ima we healer. Come make we worship him. Come make we dance and sing. Give thanks and praise to the King of Kings. Make we worship him. Greetings. My name is Auntie Jojo, and I love to tell stories and sing songs. So I'm hoping I like that song when I just sing, and that I sing it over and over at home, at school, at church, and everywhere. I want to come, make we worship him. So I have two stories for telling you today. The first story is a story about we father them go back. And the second story is a story where Jesus did tell people when him used to walk upon the earth. And maybe you will know that story already, but here's the first story. Many, many years ago, people from a place named England did bring your ancestors, my ancestors, we father them go back all the way from Africa and carry them come to Jamaica. Now, them did have one big problem. And the problem did have to do with how them are going to talk to them one another. Because you see, Africa is not one country with one language. It is plenty country with plenty different language. And so the people where them carry them from different parts of Africa, and them talk different language. So how them are going to talk to them one another, understand them one another. It was a problem. Then the next big problem where them did have is how them are going to talk to the people them who did capture them, turn them in a slave, righteous so in a Jamaica. So them couldn't talk to them one another, and them couldn't talk to the people them who did turn them in a slave. Well, in our short time, me think it short, God give them the knowledge and the wisdom and help them to come up with one new language. On the outside, it did look like, say, I try to talk, or the people we turn them in a slave talk. I try to talk English. But on the inside of the language, how them use it, how them turn the different phrase them, and where them put the subject and the object and the verb and all in something there. Yeah, it did come in just like how people in Africa use language. So our new language they make up, and we used to call it patois, and that we know it as for a long time. But now we are going to call it Jamaican, because you know, in Spain they talk Spanish, in England they talk English, in Jamaica where we talk Jamaican. So I'm telling you that story there so that we understand now why we need to hear God a talk to we in our own language. Yes, we understand English. Many of us, most of us understand English. But you see, when you hear the Jamaican language, it's like something a bubble up in you. And you ever notice, say, if you in some deep emotion, if you're very happy, or if you're vexed, or them kind of something there, nothing, no sweet so, like the Jamaican language. So, me I go tell you the story where Jesus did tell him people them way back when. But me I go tell you in the Jamaican language, and me I go read from the Jamaican New Testament. I go read from the Good News as according to Luke, chapter 15, from verse 11 to verse 32. Then Jesus said, one man did have two boy picnic. The little one said to him father, say, Daddy, give me a part of what you have for me. So the father share up all the way you have between the two of them. Little after that, the little one take all the way and go foreign and waste him money and live a while. After he spend off everything he have, starvation come upon the whole country and things did bad with him. He go work for one man in another country there. And the man send him to go feed him hog them. He did so hungry. He did all want yam the hog food. But nobody no give him nothing. Then he catch himself and say, but the man them we work for my father have more food than we then can yam. And me there are dead for hungry. But go my father go tell him, say, Daddy, me do wrong against God. And me do you wrong too. Me not good for be your picnic again. But make me work for you. So he get up and go him father. Him did still far from him yard. When him father see him, I feel sorry for him. Him father run, go hug him up and kiss him. He said to him father, say, Daddy, me do wrong against God. And me do you wrong too. Me not good for be your picnic again. But the father telling servants, say, Mickey carry the best clothes, come put on pan him. Put one ring pan him finger and shoes pan him foot. Bring the calf when me a fatten, come kill it. Make we yam, dance and prance. Me pick me the dead, but him come back alive. Him the last, but me get him back. So then start for dance and prance. The bigger boy pick me the diagram. When he reached near the house, he hear music a play. So he call one of the servants them and ask him a wagwan. He tell him, say, now your brother come home and your father kill the calf when he did a fatten, because he come home safe and sound. The bigger brother did so begs. He wouldn't go in a house. So him father go beg him to come in. But him said to him father, say, all them area, me I walk like a slave for you. And me do everything where you tell me to do. But all them time there, not even one take a young goat, give me to celebrate with my friend them. But as that picnic there, we waste all where you give me by, woman, come home. You kill your best calf for him. The father say, picnic, you're always there with me. And everything we have, I feel own. But we did so glad. We did have to dance and prance. Because your brother already dead and come back alive, come home. Him did last. But we get him back. And God won this. Thank God. So I wanted to think about it. And which one you be? The little one where go away from him father yard and do beer things, or the bigger one we stay home but have a grudgeful and bad mind spirit. Well, what I want you to know is whether you are the little one or the bigger one, God love you same way, just like how the Father loved the two of them and give them what they need. Yeah, and when the little one go away and do all of the wrong something them and then he come back, the Father run go meet him and hug him up and kiss him and give him beer things. Yes, so God love you no matter where you do or who you be. So now, the next thing I want to do, I for show you how to find more readings like that from the Jamaican New Testament. And may I beg you know, for use it for yourself, for your friend them, for everybody. Just share it with everybody so that because me have a dream and I miss me up on a mission because I want to see everybody we know and understand the Jamaican language and appreciate the Jamaican language. For hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language at least one time. All right, so now me I go show you how to find enough more reading in the Jamaican language from the Jamaican New Testament. Who no come with me? Me I go share my screen and show you. All right, I could go right here so, and the first thing we're gonna do, I'll go to YouTube, and when you go to YouTube, you'll go put in Joe and Richards. Yeah. And when you do that, you will see my name come up, right? So you're going to click on that. And when you click on that, then, the first thing you have to do, I click the subscribe button. All right. And look, see them there? And see this playlist? This playlist, when you click on it, it have 268 video readings from the Jamaican New Testament. All right. So if you need more information, because you can't even find it online too, uversion.com. If you need more information, just reach out to me. Auntie Joanne Richards Goff. Peace and love. You know what? Good.